So sobrang bihira lang talaga magkaroon ng Fortuner V. So kailangan ko agad i-shoot to. So yun na nga, ang madalas na dumadating for the past few months, puro Fortuner Q. Pero just in case ma-consider nyo rin ng Fortuner Q, maganda rin yan with bigger engine at 2.8 engine. Pero right now, since nandito na tong V, shoot agad natin. Tara. And yes, we're heading straight to Fortuner V. Pakita nga muna natin tong car tag para at least ma-visualize nyo lang. So it says here, sana nakita nyo, it's Fortuner V, V as in victory. See that? So it's 2 million if white pearl color. So of course, meron additional na 15,000. So, pasukin agad natin. And the usual way I do this is by starting here at the side mirror. Pero dito sa Fortuner V, meron tayong integrated signal light. See? And meron itong 360 camera. Ang dilim. So, wait guys. So yan, see, kita nyo? Yan 360 camera. Okay? So let's check the step board. Yan. Right? Kita niyo yung step board. So yeah. Ang design ng door handle niya is this. Chrome design with smart entry button. Right? So let's go inside. Yan ang door panel niya. Right? Meron siyang chrome accent there. Okay? Lagay ng tumbler, cup holder na extended. Okay? And hawakan, of course. Then the controls for the window. Central lock ng doors, of course. And central lock ng window. Meron tayong fold and unfold ng side mirrors. Okay? This is the joystick to adjust the side mirrors. So, yan, door function. Let's go inside. Wait, before we go inside, by the way, ang Fortuner V is manual adjust. So, meron pa rin tong seat height adjuster. Okay? So, ito yung sisandalan. Right? So, under is this. Meron kang 360 camera. Okay? Open ng hood, open ng gas, parking sensors. Right? So, meron pa rin cup holder. Okay, see? So, sa steering wheel, what do we have here? Yan, alright. Meron tayong volume control. Control, skip. Meron tayong mode shortcut. Voice command, answer call, hang up. Right? And dito naman sa left, sa right side is the cursor control. So itong cursor na to, up, down, left, right, then enter. Itong pang-control na to is para dito. See? Yan. Pang-adjust mo yan ng settings para dito sa vehicle. Okay? Then meron siyang back. Yan. Yun, babalik ko lang kayo. Parang Nokia phone, yung dati kung marirecall nyo. Hindi pa siya touchscreen dati. So, ginagamit tong cursor para makanavigate dun sa screen. Okay? So, meron itong cruise control. Okay? Ito yung cruise control niya para ma-set mo yung speed. So, after natin sa steering wheel, by the way, meron pala tong paddle shift. Okay? Kita nyo to. Ito yung minus. Ito yung plus. Okay? So, meron siyang plus-minus paddle shift. Then, pwede mo rin gamitin yun. Kung ayaw mo mag-paddle shift, pwede naman ditong manual. May plus-minus din dito sa pag-choose ng drive. Okay? Park, reverse, neutral, drive. Right? So, yan ang design ng aircon vent niya. Dito yung hazard button, touchscreen, monitor. Right? So, ito yung sa aircon niya. Auto, off, front defogger, rear defogger, fan blower control, Ayan, ito yung sa air circulation ng cabin. Rear, ito okay, may control din dito sa rear na aircon. Pwede mo i-off dito. Ito naman is yung dual. So, dual zone siya. It means, kung nandito sa passenger mo, ayaw niya na malamig, pwede niya babaan yung temperature niya. Alright? Ito naman yung thermostat. Okay? Lapitan natin para lang at least makita niyo mas malapit. Alright? Yan. And meron tayong wireless charger. Okay? Meron dito yung classic na power supply, yung pang lighter, classic. Then, yan, it's push button. Merong cup holder na dalawa. Okay? Meron tayong wireless charger ng phone, ulitin ko lang. Alright? And of course, Fortuner V is push start button. Ganda, di ba? Alright? And over here is this cool box. Yan. So, tinawag siyang cool box kasi, ayan, pwede kayong maglagay ng bottled water dyan. Pero hindi siya yung super lamig kasi since ang magpapalamig lang sa kanya yung aircon din. So, merong aircon vent dyan. Okay? So, yun yung magpapalamig sa whatever man na laman ito. Okay? It's push. Yan. And the glove compartment. Okay? Yan. Meron din siyang retractable na cup holder dyan. Right? See? Right? Yan. So, dito naman is meron tayong eco and power. So, yan. It means lang naman itong power, mas magiging aggressive yung engine. Okay? So, center pocket. Okay? Kita nyo? Right? Nice. Leather. So, ang Fortuner V natin is hindi pa siya naka-leather. Fabric to. Okay? Kita nyo ba? Right? It's fabric. Seat design. Right? So, headliner naman tayo. Check natin dito kung meron bang salamin. Of course, meron tayong salamin. Okay? Then, lagayan ng salamin. This one. Okay, meron siyang door function. Okay, off. It's push. Yan. Pindutin mo lang yan. Bukas na yung ilaw. So, sa driver's side, wala tayong mirror. Okay. And that's it. Let's move sa second row. Oh, before I forget, meron yung speaker dito Alright? Same goes here sa driver side. Right? Tara, second row tayo. And meron pa nga pala tong tweeter dito. Right? Same goes at the other side. Okay? So, ito yung sa second row, door panel. Meron din siyang speaker. Yan. Same goes sa front row. And cup holder extended. Yan, meron isang window control here. Door function. And meron niyang yan, silver na accent dito sa door. Right? Yan. And going inside is merong retractable na armrest. Right? Pero wala siyang cup holder Yan. Armrest. Oh, sorry. Yun. Almost forgot. Yan. Meron siyang retractable na cup holder. Diba? Ganda. Right? Tatlo yung headrest niya, guys, See? Yan. Right? So, dito sa center is merong power supply. Alright? Dalawa to Dalawa yung power supply niya. Alright? And meron pa dito na classic power supply. Parang lighter. Okay? Pwede nyo maglagay ng phone dito. Okay? Then meron din retractable na sabitan. Yan. Okay, kita nyo. Then, lagayan ng files, of course. And, nandito ang control ng aircon niya. See? Yan ha. Okay. Off, auto, may auto mode din yung aircon niya. Then, ito yung control ng blower niya. Right? Then, yan yung aircon vent niya. Okay. And same goes here. Yan. Right? So, yung aircon vent dito sa third row is nandito. Okay? Yan. Nice. This is the Fortuner V. 2.4 engine. Okay. So, ito yung design ng mugs niya. Actually, ito yung design dati sa Fortuner Q. Pero, yung mugs design ng Fortuner Q right now is iba na. Pero ito yung dating nakakabit sa Fortuner Q. Right? Ano bang size ng mugs nito? So, ang size ng mugs niya is 18. Right? And ang nakabit na gulong dito is Grand Trek. And ito na nga yung third row niya. So, fold pa rin siya. Yan ang design niya. Then, yan, naaangat siya. And dito pa rin nakalagay yung tools niya. Alright, see that? Yan. And dito pa din yung sinusungkit actually para mababatong spare tire under. Right? So, ito yung na-mention ko na aircon vent. Right? Then, meron tong third row light. Yan. Okay. Right, what else? Ano pa ba? So yan, meron yung handlebar there. And also at the other side. Actually, each row meron, even at the driver's side. Right? So tara, ikutan lang muna natin, no? So, itong Fortuner V, yan, like I mentioned kanina, in the dashboard, meron tong parking sensor. So yan, makita niyo, may sensor dito sa harap. Okay. Dilim lang ngayon ha. It's 4 p.m. Right? Andito yung sensor niya. And of course, the fog lights. Okay, dito may honeycomb design. Okay? And yan yung design ng headlight niya. Right? It's a Fortuner V. And like I mentioned, meron tong 360 camera. Right? Kita niyo yan under. That's the front 360 camera. Okay? It's Fortuner V at 2.4 engine. Okay. Kutan lang natin ha. Like I mentioned, chrome design for the door handles. Integrated side mirrors with 360 camera under. Step board. Okay. So, ang Fortuner V, of course, meron tong spoiler. And ito yung third mount stoplight niya. And the shark fin antenna. Of course, hindi mo mawawalan to ng backing camera. Yan, integrated. Okay. And apat ang backing sensors nito. Right? Yan. So, yan. Pakita ko lang yung design ng taillight. Right? So, sa ilalim is merong reflector, of course. So, yeah guys, that's the Fortuner V. And price is 2 million. If gusto mo ng white pearl, additional 15,000. And hindi madalas yan na may supply sa Pinas. So, highly suggested, once na may available, i-grab na natin agad. Okay? And by the way, meron kami trade-in dito. Most brands tinatanggap namin for trade-in. Of course, pwede nyo gamitin yung pang-down. Less natin sa bagong unit na kukuha ninyo, of course. And by schedule lang trade-in, ha. Wag kayo basta-basta sugod dito sa showroom. Alright? Mamaya, pumunta kayo, wala yung appraiser. Okay? So, that's it. Bye. Thanks.